Designed by sleep experts and personalized for you, Restore combines soothing sleep sounds, a soft bedside light, and a sunrise alarm clock so you can get your best sleep naturally. When you're ready for bed, start your personal sleep routine and wind down in the way that works for you. So you can fall asleep, stay asleep, and wake up feeling restored. Because better nights make for better days. And better sleep makes for a better you.
Add a little light to your life and start the day off with a smile. The Sonic Alert Glow Clock adds just the right amount of soft ambient light to any bedroom, making kids feel safe and secure while creating a fun, festive atmosphere. A serious wake-up device, the alarms on these glow clocks can be adjusted to be extra loud, up to 113 decibels, to get your heart pumping. For even more pep in your step, you can add our famous Super Shaker bed vibrator. Wake to either sound, both sound and shake, or shake with no sound, so others around you can sleep. Alarm sounds are selectable. Choose a standard buzzer alarm or one of our very cool program sounds. You can even record your own alert.
Time to get up, it's a new day. Time to get up, it's a new day.
Alarm patterns are also selectable. And connect your smartphone to stream your favorite music through the quality built-in speaker. Other models are available too. For the sports fan, there's the soccer ball or the baseball. Both fun ways to wake and get your mind on the day ahead. For the aspiring astronomer or stargazer, we offer the moon, a peaceful and inspiring start to the morning.